Here I've got Nokia 5.1 and let me show you all the ringtones that you will find in this device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then go to the settings. Now scroll now a bit and pick sound. And here you will notice phone ringtone. So let me pick, for example, this one. And now we can come along with all the ringtones. So let's start with Nokia tune. And then all the others. And by tapping on plus, you can also add some other ringtones. So if you will have some song in your device, then you will be able to add it there. And finally, let me pick, for example, this tune to be our phone ring. Just tap on OK. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.